যে যারা শিখে হেল্প করছে জাতীয় পতাকা তুলতে। ঠিক আছে তোরা ধর তোরা ধর চলে আসো এটা তোমার জন্য গৌতম ঢোকালে না না দরকার নেই আমার দরকার নেই এটা একটু নাম করে দিন আমাদের ঠিক আছে শুরু কি বাচ্চা রেখে দিন
Morning all of my friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share and explain about the today Independence Day speech. Thank you. We all know that Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August annually. It's a national festival of Indians. It is a special day of every citizens of India. India got freedom on 15 August 1947. The day remains as great freedom fighters of India. In every year, people are celebrated to pay to the freedom fighters like Khudiram Bose, Mahan Atma Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. People are pay respect to culmination and hardship and success in her life. I will say example and the three names, those are their supporters also.
Start.
On this day, our India has free from British rule. Jai Hind.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of my dear friends. Thank you to give me this opportunity to tell something about Independence Day. India, a free independent country that got its 15 August in 1947. Tomorrow we will celebrate 75th Independence Day in India. But we are not behind the history of the independence. Like a history to sacrifice and struggles, our brave sons and daughters who came for our India to last breath. On 15 August, we are celebrated Independence Day, annual to remember our brave sons' sacrifice to freedom fighters to did for us. In this day, it is a national holiday in India. In this day, all the people are gathered and celebrated the independent our India. All the different educational institute are celebrated independent day to make the attitude full in his nature. And this day we are playing, dancing and speech competition. Many types of competition are there in our school and our educational center. And this day and the other programs will started on by the hosting our tricolor flag in India. Thank you. That's all. Jai Hind.
Independence Day is a national festival of India. Celebrate on 15th August 1947. But behind the story of independence lies a vast history of sacrifice and struggles of our brave sons and daughters who fought for the country independence until least land. On 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day annually to remember those sacrificed as freedom fighters as for youth. Thank you.
everyone. I am Rehan Ansari from Durgapur. As we know that today is Independence Day, so I am going to deliver a speech on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day in 15th August because our freedom fighters had independent us in 15th August in 1947. In the year of 1947, and we in the Independence Day is also known as national holiday, and it is also called National Festival of India. Everyone of India, every Indian host the national flag and give a salute by singing the national flag. It is the best beautiful movement, and the Indians sung the national song of India, that is Jana Gana Mana. We will also host our flag of India. I love India. This is our India. Jai Hind.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Now, I would like to speak few words on this auspicious occasion. We must be really proud to be an Indian. We are celebrating our 75th Independence Day today. Long back, 1947, our India got independence from British rule. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their life for the freedom of India. We must remember the sacrificed freedom heroes of our country. On 15th August every year, we celebrate our Independence Day annually to remember the sacrificed lives of our freedom fighters. We are fortunate to born in a freedom country. Our soldiers are fighting in the border to protect our country and to preserve our freedom. There is a big celebration in Delhi at Rajpath. The national anthem is sung by everyone. After the flag is hosted by the Prime Minister. Cultural programs are done by school students. Army also does important work in it, which also includes a march past. Our tricolor Indian flag represents different things. Saffron represents or signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith and chivalry. The center of our flag contains a Ashoka's chakra, which has 24 evenly distributed spikes. We must be responsible as a proud citizen and do our duty to progress our country in growth and development of it. Keeping our sacrificed ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to curve in our better future of our motherland. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Since this is a very auspicious day for all of us Indians, I am not going to bore you with catchy pickup lines because this is our motherland, the India. Yes, I am mentioning it as the India because there's no country in the world like ours. Rolling back to 75th years, we had great leaders who helped us to getting freedom from Britishers, and just to celebrate their achievement, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. We are sitting here just because of them. I am having the right to speech because of the Independence Act only. We all know how India become independent, but in the brief, It was a movement led by Mahatma Gandhi and their supporters against Britishers and who are ruling India for over 200 years. On 1947, the day arrived and we got our independence, but we lost our Mahatma Gandhi. We can never forget the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and Khudiram Bose, who were leaving their family fought for our Independence Day. And I did not skip Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose, betterly known as Gandhiji and Netaji, respectively, who collectively taught us the importance of non-violence in the world. Jai Hind.